Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, the place where powerful machines meet passionate drivers. If you live for speed, style, and raw muscle, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into the bold and aggressive world of the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro, a modern American icon that refuses to go quietly. The 2025 Camaro might be one of the final chapters in this legendary nameplate's story, and Chevrolet is making sure it goes out with a roar. With its unmistakable styling, aggressive stance, and pure performance DNA, this Camaro is built to thrill both on the road and the track. On the outside, the 2025 Camaro keeps its sharp sculpted body lines with some futuristic touches. The front fascia has been redesigned slightly with sleeker LED headlights and a wider grille that gives it an even meaner look. Air vents are more functional this time, adding both cooling and aerodynamic performance. Whether you choose the coupe or convertible, this car commands attention from every angle. Under the hood, the beast lives on. The standard 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 delivers solid power with great efficiency, but the real excitement starts with the available 6.2L V8. That engine is still here, pushing out over 455 horsepower and delivering that throaty, old-school muscle car growl. For those who want the ultimate experience, the Camaro ZL1 takes things up with a supercharged V8 pushing 650 horsepower, offering insane track-ready performance with street credibility. Performance isn't just about the engine though. The 2025 Camaro features advanced suspension tuning, magnetic ride control, and launch control to help you make the most of every drive. Whether you're carving canyons or doing straight-line sprints, the Camaro feels sharp, fast, and precise. Manual transmission lovers, don't worry. The 6-speed stick is still available for that true muscle car feel. Step inside, and you'll notice the cockpit is built for driving. The interior combines performance-focused design with modern tech. Bucket seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminum accents keep things sporty, while the digital instrument cluster and updated infotainment system bring in today's tech. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available performance data recorder make it both smart and fun. Safety features also see an upgrade, with forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert becoming standard on more trims. Chevrolet knows this car needs to be fast and safe, especially for younger buyers drawn to its legacy. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a car, it's a symbol of American performance, freedom, and adrenaline. As the world moves toward electric vehicles, the Camaro reminds us of what made driving thrilling in the first place. Thanks for tuning into Ride Ready Reviews. If you love high-performance legends like the Camaro, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more muscle, more speed, and more reviews coming your way. Stay tuned, and as always, stay ride ready.